welcome back to my channel. For those who are new, my name is Ina. I'm a registered nurse, and on this channel we talk about nursing concepts, and nursing writing. So today we have a very interesting and exciting topic. It is if you're thinking going from an LPN and bridging to an RN, specifically online. So often students ask me, what is bridging? Very good question, because oftentimes this is misunderstood, but the concept is heard either in school or at work where you work, or somebody just told you, oh my God, I'm thinking of bridging. Okay, let's explore what that means. So who can first of all bridge to an RN? LPNs, which is licensed practical nurses, RPNs, registered practical nurses, and RNs, the ones that have completed a diploma from their college. Now, what's very important is that there is a time frame between when you completed your college and when you're going to go to university to bridge, and that takes approximately 2 years. The question is why? Well, because you will probably need to collect some hours before you're accepted to university online, and you will need certain amount of hours to complete. So you don't directly through bridging program go into university right away. You will need some experience, skills, and knowledge to go and bridge into the bachelor's level. So another question, how long does this program actually take? This is a great question because online specifically, a bridging program can take anywhere between 3.5 years to complete it, while for certain people it can actually take up to 10 years. It depends on the university. You'll have to see all the details about the program and the university that you're going. So why 10 years? Well, certain people will need that time to complete the university or the bachelor's program for nursing, because they have families and jobs and a lot of responsibilities. So they will need that much time to complete the program. Now, other questions that I had, is it different from traditional bachelor's? And in the so traditional bachelor's, when you go into university, is it different from an online program? The quick and easy question is absolutely yes. And here's why. So basically online, you have an opportunity to take only one course per semester, or you can have a load of courses, such as sometimes 4, 6, even 7 courses, and that will give you a huge flexibility. So if you like this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and leave a comment below, okay? So at the end of the video, I'm going to quickly speak about if you are bridging or in the process already of bridging, if you think or if the RN program is even worth it. So I'm going to quickly discuss the answer. If it is, then why? So let's go into another questions that I'm getting from my students is how many courses are within the bridging program? So there are approximately 33 courses in the bridging program. Now, the beauty of it, as I told you, is you can take as minimum as 1, sometimes even 0. Certain semesters you can miss, but you have to understand that there's going to be a time frame to complete the program. Yes, it may be 10 years, but if you are taking only 1 or 0 courses, you'll need to create your own schedule. Now, 33 courses. What else can we discuss? Yes, so for certain, so you're gonna have online concept. So you're gonna have a contract, it's called. So what that means is certain courses will be harder from others. So the contract works in a very beneficial way to the student. What that means is the contract will state that you will need to complete the course within 6 months, but maybe you will complete the course within 3 or even 2 months. So you can add other courses meanwhile, 1 or 2, it's up to you really. And what that means also is the contract can be extended up to 1 time or 2 times. Yes, the time frame, for example, if it's extended to a 1 time, it's going to be a year and 2 months that you're going to be into the one course, but maybe you will need it. For example, statistics may be a hard course to take online, so you will require maybe more time to complete it rather than any other course. So that contract gives you that flexibility to pursue with more time frame to complete it, not to retake the course basically. Now, another question I get from my students are bachelor's of nursing courses harder than LPN courses? So a lot of students ask me this question, and the answer is yes, some courses will be much harder because, for example, pathophysiology, pharmacology, statistics, they're very heavy courses. So, however, in the baccalaureate level, you will have a lot of writing. So, a lot of research papers based on qualitative, quantitative data, annotated bibliographies. These are very different concepts, and that is why I created this channel, is to help students like yourselves with writing. So, if you have any questions, what it may be, you can see for the information in the comment section below, and I will be very happy to answer them. Now, the last question we're going to talk about today is becoming a RN worth it? Those who are thinking to become an RN and are thinking either through a bridging process or generally speaking through a traditional process where you're going to go to a university for an RN, is becoming an RN worth it? The answer is absolutely yes. If you're thinking from an LPN, RPN, or registered nurse on a college level and you would like to go to an RN, to become an RN with a degree, it's absolutely worth it. Why? There is much more options and opportunities that, based on the requirements of the degree, that the employers are asking nowadays. So what that means is that, for example, if you would like to work in research, or you want to be a director, or you want to be anything, you want to explore other options, there will be these options available on the bachelor's level because they will require a degree. Nursing informatics is another one. So if you do not have a degree, unfortunately, these roles might not be available for a college because that's the prerequisite and the requirement. Now, caps also will be different. So the salary caps for LPNs will be different than they are for the registered nurses. And another thing is that when you get your education on the bachelor's level, you're able to flow into the master's programs and then into the doctorates or a PhD level, and you can grow in the journey of nursing. If you liked this particular video, again, please subscribe, comment below. If you have any questions with regards to writing or any other things in nursing, please leave me a message. Thank you and have a great day.